our struggle is not a localized struggle. Our issues are international. You must see Palestine even when you are here. You must feel the pain of Palestinians even when you are here. Children are being killed. Children are being stabbed. Women are being bombed in Palestine. Soldiers have occupied that place. There are a lot of entry areas. Even if you are not a Palestinian or a Jew, you want to visit Palestine, you are subjected to a huge harassment by Israel. So that must come to an end. We are saying to apartheid Israel, respect democracy. We have nothing against you except the system of oppression, occupation of Gaza is wrong. And we are saying return the land in the same way we are demanding our land here in South Africa. Let the people of Palestine own their own land. Which is happening in Palestine is being condoned by the USA. If the USA was not agreeable to the oppression of the people of Palestine, that Israel will not be arrogant. The nonsense which is perpetuated by apartheid Israel in Palestine is supported directly by capitalism and by America. So we need to say to the embassy of Israel, we are not friends with people who derive pleasure out of pain of other people. We must always be democratic. We must always respect the human rights. Why do you arrest people without trial and claim to be democratic? Because everybody must be subjected to a fair hearing by an independent judiciary. The people of Palestine, they get jailed without trial by apartheid Israel. We are not here today because we hate the Jewish people. Our march is not against the Jews. Our march is against the apartheid Israel. So we must not live here thinking that the Jews are our enemies. They are not our enemies. We do not agree with the apartheid Israel. We are saying to South Africa, remove our embassy in Israel, and then remove this one from South African soil, because we cannot share a territory with people who are oppressing other people. We are saying to all South Africans, do not visit Israel until the land is returned back into the hands of the rightful owners. Because by visiting Israel now, you are supporting the apartheid Israel. We are saying to universities and all academic institutions and academics, stop doing any business with Israel. We are saying to the business community, cut your ties with Israel. Why? Because when we were under apartheid, we received an international solidarity. That's why today we are free in South Africa. People marched all over the world against South African apartheid. That's why today we are returning the favor to the people of Palestine. If we boycott everything Israel, then they will feel the pain. They will see the need to go into genuine negotiations with Palestinian authorities so that they resolve to come with one state solution, not two states. I know that there are resolutions and international resolutions on two state solution. We want one state. We want Palestinians and the Jewish communities to live under one democratic country, like we are doing here in South Africa. We are living here with Afrikaners. It doesn't matter how much we hate them. We have to live with them because they've been naturalized here. We are saying to the Palestinians, we are saying to the Israelis, if South Africans can do it, you too can do it. You can stay together peacefully and elect a government which is based on the will of the majority, not on the will of the connected few who've got economic power. Democracy doesn't matter whether you are Jew or Palestinian. As long as the majority say this is the type of government we want, we must all respect that. We are doing the same in South Africa. This march is not a once-off march. We'll come here every time Balfour Declaration is celebrated by reactionary forces. We will come here to condemn it, because Balfour Declaration is reactionary. It was a colonizer, Britain, giving the land of Palestinians to the Jews without the consent of the Palestinians. We are saying to Britain, shame on you. You will never be our friend because you are a colonizer. How do you give other people's land through a simple short letter that the rest will see what they do, but you guys, here is your portion? Allocating the land of the Palestinians without their consent. That must come to an end. Everything that represents apartheid, everything that represents oppression must be defeated, must be fought against by all of us. Let us hold hands with the people of Palestine. It doesn't matter how many are you. You must just say, wrong, it's wrong. And it will never be accepted. It doesn't matter whether that wrong is being done to me. Even if it's done to another person, it remains wrong. We need a free Palestine.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time.